Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can update all your PC or laptop drivers. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. So all you have to do is you have to go to iobit.com. I will leave a link in the description and go to their website and download Driver Booster 10 for free. So there is a free download over here and I have already downloaded it. So if we go and open it, I will go and open it and we will install it now. We'll wait for it to load. Now we are still waiting. I will go ahead and install it. Yes, install IOBit. So as you can see, it started to install now and we will wait for the installation to be finished. The installation is usually quick over here. The best thing about this driver booster is like most of the features are free over here, so you don't have to pay a single penny. Although you can upgrade it, you can pay them and upgrade all the drivers or update all the drivers in a single go. I will show you in a bit. So ITOP VPN I don't need, so I will check no thanks, and I will go ahead and press on scan now. As you can see, it's checking for the drivers. Now we will still wait for this to be over, and it's usually very quick. As you can see, it's almost close to 100%. And if you see this, there are a lot of drivers that needs to be updated over here. So you can simply click on update. The problem is if I do that right now, my screen will go blank. I will go ahead and close this IOBit uninstaller. For example, we will take this game driver update, don't remind me again, and we'll press on OK. So as you can see, it has started downloading without you having to manually search for the drivers for your desktop or laptop. So it is this simple to update your drivers on a Windows laptop or desktop. And in case if you face any problems or issues, please let me know. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.